Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. So I'm gonna do a full depth tutorial on how to make these specifically. I've also made these, but today we're just gonna be focusing on this one. I'm going to be using this one as a template. I have a few others to make, so I'll be focusing on those and just referring to this one as a template. First thing first, we're gonna add our square, which we're gonna turn into a rectangle into the dimensions of 1 inch by 1.5. Enter. So this is gonna be our template. I'm gonna change it white. We want to keep everything inside this. Since I will be doing a few, I'm gonna copy and paste a few of these. We're gonna upload our image into Design Space. So here's our picture, complex, continue. We're gonna do a print and cut, and we're gonna upload it. Now we're gonna make sure and insert our image. Okay, and now we're just gonna size it down. And she wants 2 of the same one, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste another picture in here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for another image. Now that we have all our images uploaded, we're gonna wanna add this little Spotify template. I already have it here uploaded, so I'm just gonna click on it and insert it. And we're just gonna make it smaller. And just try to fit it in there. Once you're satisfied with the size, I'm just gonna copy and paste it 3 times. If you guys don't have the Spotify template, just go ahead and email me or DM me on Instagram and I can send you guys that file over. I'm going to demonstrate on one of the ways on how to get a Spotify code. When you're looking up your song, you can also go to share and just put Spotify code, screenshot it from here. Another way to get the Spotify code is by going online. Just put Spotify code. I'm gonna click on the first thing, and here you normally just get the link and then put get Spotify code. So let me go get the song real quick. I'm downloading Spotify. I normally do this all from my phone, but while that's downloading, we're gonna go ahead and add the text. We're just gonna come over here and add the text. I normally use, I think it's like everyday font. I think it's this one. So this one is everyday font. A is for Alice. I'm gonna be using that to type the artist name. The artist is Alabama, and we're just gonna size that down. I'm just gonna add the other artist. I just added the other artist, and now I'm going to be adding the titles of the song. Here I already have the name of one of the songs. But for the font, we are gonna do, I think it's like Arial Round. Yes. So we're gonna do Arial Rounded Empty Bold. Capitalize what you need to capitalize. And since this is like my template, I always refer back to it on sizing. I have all the song titles and all the artists on here, and now we're gonna go back and see if Spotify has downloaded. Now that I have Spotify downloaded, I'm gonna go and quickly search the song. I clicked on the album and here is the song, so I'm gonna click these 3 dots and I'm gonna go to share, and then all the way down here it says copy song link, so we're gonna click it. Then we're gonna come over here to the Spotify codes, and we're gonna just paste it there and put get Spotify code. This pops up. Change the colors on this. The bar, I'm gonna make it black, and the background color, I'm gonna make it white. And we have 2 options. We can either just screenshot this or we can download it to our computer. I'm gonna go ahead and just download it. So now it's down here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and rename this code. Come to Cricut Design Space. We're gonna click upload, and we're just gonna upload that file. I'm gonna click open, complex, and then I'm gonna go ahead and erase this white background. Print and cut. Click on it and insert it into Design Space. I just went ahead and rearranged these a little bit, and now they are just how I like them, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on this one. Same thing here. We're just gonna share, copy song link. It's now copied. We're gonna go over here, delete this, and paste this and put get Spotify code. I already changed once the color, so I don't need to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you guys with the screenshot. So I'm just going to screenshot that part. And like that. And then I'm going to go back here and we're going to upload it. Let's go to the desktop screenshot. The last screenshot I had. Complex. I'm going to take out this background. And then we're going to hit continue. Print and cut. Upload. Select the image. Insert. And shrink it down. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange it a little. I'm going to delete this template. Select it and go down here and click flatten. Now that we have everything ready to print and cut, we're gonna go up here to make it. It's how it's gonna print. I'm going to be using sticker paper. I purchased it on Amazon and now we're just gonna hit continue. We're gonna send this to the printer. We're gonna take off bleed. I'm using an Epson XP 4100. Now we're gonna hit print and send it off to the Epson. Push. I've already printed and then printable sticker paper. Okay, so now that we have loaded our mat, we're gonna go ahead and click go. Go ahead and unload our mat. This is how the stickers look up close. We're gonna go ahead and remove it. These keychains, I bought them on Amazon, and these can just, like, the back just pops up. Sometimes if they have this like little entrance, if you can see, and you can just pop it up. We want to peel off the backing of the sticker, and I'm carefully trying to do that, and I'm going to utilize some tweezers to place the image inside of the keychain carefully. Although it doesn't look like I'm carefully doing this, in reality I am. I just sped up the video. I'm basically now just going to repeat the same thing to this next keychain. Except this one, we will just be placing it to the back of the other picture since they wanted a double-sided keychain. Now we will just be adding the back of the keychain, and make sure to add lots of pressure. That will just ensure that the backing is in place and secured. We will do this to the next one, and once we're done, they will look so cute. These are completely personalized and such a perfect gift to your partner. Lastly, I will be demonstrating how to use the Spotify code. So you're going to go to the search bar and click the camera. You're going to get your little keychain and scan the little code on it, and it scans automatically, and then you just play the song, and that's basically it to it.